Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Commonly Mistaken. We have already talked about articles in my previous video. Today I want you to clear your doubts about grammar. Generally, my effort is to clear all your doubts in the easiest manner. I don't want you to take a paper and a pen to jot down all the rules and regulations. That becomes a little boring. So let's start the remaining part of the articles we have already discussed earlier. If you have not watched my video earlier, I have given the link of my previous video in the description box. Let's talk about the. What is THE, the? The is of course an article, but what is the right pronunciation of THE, the or the? Actually both are correct, because when we are using it with a vowel sound, we will pronounce it the, and when we will be using it with a consonant sound, we will pronounce it the. Friends, the is used with a unique, specific and identified noun. That is all we know with the unique things, especially in the world. Like everybody knows about it, we use the with sun, the with earth, the with moon, because they all are identified unique things. Everybody knows about it, but as they are the only one in the whole world. In the same way, the things, the nouns which are identified, like I have already given the example, like if I'll ask somebody to bring me the chair, he has to bring me the particular chair I am pointing to. But if I'll ask them to bring a chair, means they are free to get me any chair out of the whole world. Got the difference? We also use the or the with the superlative degrees. Let me give you some examples. Have a look. The best, the most, the greatest, the last, the smallest. In all these superlative degrees, we have used the, which is very common. Everybody knows about it. So whenever you come across any word that is superlative, always use the or the with them. One more use of the. When we use the with adjective, it represents the whole race of the adjective which has been mentioned. I can give you some examples here. The poor. Here, all the poor people of the whole world have been discussed here. They have been mentioned here. The poor. The poor deserve help, like that. The old. All the old people of the whole world have been represented here. The wise, the famous, the beautiful. The is also used, friends, with a singular noun, and in that also it represents the whole class. Have some examples. The cow is a pet animal. The cow means all the cows are included here. All are pet animals. The tiger is carnivorous animal. All the tigers are included here. The sewing machine is very useful. Here also all the sewing machines have been included here. But when using the with the animals or the things, we can't use the with man. It is an exception here. When we are talking about man, we can't say that we will use the here. Here omission comes, the won't be used here. Man is a social animal is the right word. Whenever if you have been asked to put any article in front of man, you will put across there, you won't use the there. We also use the with the names of seas, oceans, deserts, rivers, chains of mountains, group of islands. Friends, always remember, we use the USA but never the India. Why? Because USA is a group of countries, not a single country. But India, Japan, Pakistan, all these are single countries. So we will never use the with a single country, but we can use the with a group of mountains, group of countries. Clear? Friends, I hope that you are cleared about the concepts of articles, where to use a, an or the, especially the or the. Friends, soon I'll post one more video about the omission of articles, where we are not supposed to use any article. There are many special situations when we are not being supposed to use articles. That is called omission of articles. I hope that you have liked my video. If you like, please comment, share the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.